Affogato. Is it a drink? Is it a dessert? Who knows? Who cares? It's just a fun word to say. Affogato, especially in a Dublin accent. Affogato. Anyway, it's a classic Italian dessert that just combines espresso and ice cream, or gelato, I suppose, if you're going to be perfect about it. And it is delicious. So, this is what you'll need to eat one. A spoon. Enjoy! However, just ask any of your Italian friends and they will 100% confirm that playing around with classic recipes is brilliant and everybody over there loves it. So let's have a bit of fun. Get some vanilla ice cream. Come on, you slippery doodah. There we go. Vanilla ice cream, double espresso. Actually, you know what? You don't really need espresso. Stovetop brewer like a mocha pot will work fine too. You could even use a cafetiere. You just want something with a bit of body, so maybe a dark roast will work best if you can brew it in one of those brewers. How about a little bit of chocolate sauce? Nothing wrong with that, is there? Oh, you know this is going to be good already, don't you? Yeah, some flaked almonds. Other nuts could work really well too. And I'm pretty sure this now makes it a healthy dessert. And a bit more chocolate. Why not? Come on, get in there. Yeah. But there you go. Affogato number 2. Enjoy. However, let's try one more. Maybe for a grown-up eating treat. Maybe you got some friends around. It's time for another Affogato. Chocolate ice cream this time. Nice, good start. You can play around with different flavors of ice cream. Of course, you just figure out what goes well with the coffee and with your liqueur. Irish cream liqueur and chocolate. Again, what's going wrong here? But try and get it all in the bowl if you can. Again, mess around with different flavors. Who knows what you will discover? Bit more espresso to go on top of it. Oh god, you know this is going to be good no matter what happens from here. But that's hazelnuts. Yeah. Bit of crushed hazelnuts on top, and of course, why the hell not? More chocolate. Yes. Try and get it all in the bowl though if you can. And there you go. 3 different classic Affogato flavors for you to try. Affogato. Thank you.